Asif from Saudi Arabia says that when we buy a mobile phone for 1,000 riyals, well, I don't know where you can buy a mobile phone this cheap. Now they are 3,000, 4,000 riyals. And it's becoming close to the cost of buying a car. So when you buy such mobile phones, they say, if you want, we give you an extended warranty for 200 riyals or so. Is this permissible? The answer is no. This is insurance. So you're paying an amount of money, 100 or 200 riyals. If the mobile was broken, they will replace it for you. So you gained 800 riyals. If nothing happens throughout this period of a year, for example, you lose your 200 riyals. And this is the concept of gambling. Buying a lottery ticket for €1 with the chances of hitting the jackpot of €1,000,000. That's whoa. What's wrong in that, man? Yeah, but there's a possibility of losing €1, so no problem. And when 10 million participate and they lose their 10 million euros, €1 each, no problem. But only one of them has the chance to win the jackpot. And this is gambling. This is totally prohibited. And likewise, when you opt for provident funds or retirement or 401k, I think they call it, the retirement scheme differs. If you're obliged by the government and they take a portion of your salary without your consent and they put it in a fund, and when you retire, they give you a monthly salary, this is halal. Because I have no say in them taking money from me. And whatever they give me after my retirement, this is legitimate. But if it's optional, and they say, would you like us to do this or that? If you say yes, this is like insurance. It's haram. Because you could live for 30, 40 years after your retirement and get triple or quadruple the amount that you have invested in the beginning. And you may die the following month and all gone down the drain. So this is gambling and risky. That is not permissible in Islam.